Welcome back to my Bible Geography classroom. I'm Samantha Corcoran, and this video marks the first of 16 Old Testament lessons that we teach at our congregation. This is part of the workshop rotation model. There's a separate video about that, so be sure to check that out. The way I'll release these videos is that I'll have two per lesson. So for Old Testament number 1, which is in the beginning, I'll have a part 1 and a part 2. The part 1 we teach on Sunday, and the part 2 we teach on Wednesday, or vice versa. So there will be 2 videos for every lesson. So be sure to check out the other video, and I've linked it in the description below. In this lesson, we'll talk about 2 things, the Garden of Eden, and also the beginning of writing. In Genesis chapter 2, we actually read about 4 rivers that surround the Garden of Eden. In today's world, we can actually still go to 2 of them, the Tigris and the Euphrates. Now, when we go into Google Earth, we want to go to the continent of Asia and zoom in to the country of Iraq. When we zoom in, you'll notice the Persian Gulf, and you'll notice that there is an outlet going into the Persian Gulf. So the Tigris and the Euphrates both drain into the Persian Gulf. But if we zoom in near the modern day city of Basra, you'll notice on Google Earth, there's a lot of green around the area where the Tigris and Euphrates meet. This is called the Mesopotamian Marshes. The Mesopotamian Marshes are home to one of the world's most important wetlands. They are located in southern Iraq, where the Tigris and Euphrates rivers meet. Many Bible scholars think this was the original Garden of Eden. And one of my favorite documentaries about this area is a PBS nature documentary called Braving Iraq. And it's about a water engineer who goes back to his homeland and tries to undo the damage done by Saddam Hussein. One activity that we have children in 1st through 4th grade do is take a map. And this particular map is from the Heartshaper series. And this one has a grid, so we can teach them how to read a grid on a map. And so we'll give them a location of A3, and they have to find what is in that box. And these maps are available. The link is in the description below. We have the children trace over both the Tigris River and the Euphrates River. And we have them trace over those in blue since they are rivers. And then we have them locate the Mesopotamian Marshes. And we have them use a green crayon or colored pencil to color in that area of ancient Mesopotamia. Remember to look at the description of this video so that you can see all of the resources that I used and links on where you can find them. If you like what you've seen in this video today, please subscribe.